So as you can see, the water is down from the bar. It's no longer even in the parking lot, which is amazing. And it's kind of like where it would normally be. It's a fucking mess down there, disgusting. All this is covered in water. But see, the water's there. Straight from the lake, and the blue tarp of death is still there as well. But yeah, this is kind of normal for this time of year. It was not normal what happened a month ago, that's for sure. Okay, moving right along. So I'm here, back on the water. That's the river right there. And this guy's refueling the pumps. These pumps have been running for a month straight. It's crazy. As you can see, the dirt here, the water's gone down a bit. Not much. It's like a full month. This is going to take, I don't know how long it's going to take for the water to totally recede back to the river. There's ducks as well. Look at this wall of sandbags. These are all the sandbags I cleaned up on the streets. Like you saw, there was none on that street anymore. So I'm hoping that this area is going to clear up soon, because this is where all the fairs and stuff are, and the Rib Fest, and I don't know, anything. The big community garage sale, I found some cool games last time, is here. But look at all the pallets there. Holy cow. Man, you need pallets, guys. We got pallets. Yeah, so that's it. So it's pretty much over, this disaster. But that's a lot of cleanup. Oh no. It's true, I should have changed the ISO to something because it's a bit dimmer in here. It's a good test though, we'll see what happens. I remember this tunnel, it's crazy. What was that? Whoa! Careful, it's wet.
You got your kid inside that we saw?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the worst is it's recording me. I'll have to edit that out tonight. Yeah, for sure it's going to be high and low, the resolution. It's so comfortable though. It's fully comfortable. What's up there? I think this goes to the street. I think this just goes to the street. Oh my gosh, it's so uphill. Oh, look at all the fucking green shit here. Oh yeah, it's true. Oh, we should have went down there. Whatever.
Break anyways.
Where, right here?
No, take a right. Go down the lakeshore.
Okay. Now we're at this little pier place here on the water. Sailboats are out. Bikes are here. It's cool.